Hey there, I'm Sharon Malone, and welcome to another episode of Shift Tips, where we share the best tips and tricks to make your digital life simpler. Today, we'll be talking about the apps that saved us when the world went remote. Hey Sharon. Hey Sharon. Slack is a messaging and collaboration tool. It allows teams to organize discussions, increase collaboration, and my personal favorite, reduce the clutter of email threads. It even has a virtual sidekick called Slackbot that reminds you to respond to that coworker you've ghosted for 3 days now. Zoom has become a huge part of our digital lives. My team is remote, my family's all in South Carolina. I think I see people on Zoom more often than real life nowadays. This isn't surprising since Zoom blew up during the pandemic. 300 million daily users is a lot of Zoom calls, y'all. Beyond high-quality video calling, Zoom lets us share our screens, create breakout rooms, and host meetings of all kinds. WhatsApp allows users to send messages or make calls through text, voice, and video, all with secure end-to-end encryption. These days, every PTA is in a WhatsApp group chat, so if it can organize bake sales, it can handle almost anything. It's easy to use, available on most platforms, and allows us to connect with friends and family worldwide. Formerly G Suite, Google Workspace includes a collection of apps that allow for real-time collaboration. Google Workspace allows us to work together and foster creativity right from our computer screens. Okay, so just like the name suggests, Todoist is a to-do list and task management tool. With task lists, due dates, and priority levels, Todoist helps you stay on top of your, to-do list. I have a love-to-hate relationship with lists, but apps like Todoist make my life more manageable. Actually, I'm not sure if I would have remembered to post this video without it. While the apps I've shared are powerful on their own, getting them to play nicely together can be a nightmare. You end up with too many tabs, too many windows open, and notifications coming at you from everywhere. This is where Shift comes into play. Shift is a browser that brings all your apps together in one window. You can manage multiple email accounts, apps, and calendars in one space without having to log in and out constantly. We waste 4 hours a week hopping between the many aspects of our digital lives. Nobody's got time for that. Shift makes working remotely way less stressful and so much simpler. You get all the benefits of the remote tools we talked about today, but they're built into your browser, so you don't have to jump between 20 different apps. All right, that's all from me today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon with more Shift tips. See you next time.